In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a live stream on Instagram. First, head over to your Instagram profile. From there, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner and open Settings. Scroll all the way down and select Account Type and Tools. Next, tap on Switch to Professional Account and follow the steps to set up a professional or business account. Choose a category from the list and tap Switch. You'll then be asked to select between Creator or Business. I'll choose Creator and tap Next. After that, tap the cross icon in the top right corner to exit. When you return to your profile, you should now see the professional dashboard, which confirms that your account has been upgraded. To go live, tap the plus icon at the top of your profile. You should see an option called Live. Go ahead and select it. If you don't see the live option, it means your account doesn't yet meet the requirement of 1,000 followers. Once you reach that milestone, you'll be able to access Instagram Live. When everything is ready, tap the Live button at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a short countdown, and then you'll be live on Instagram. And that's it. It's that simple. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.